Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show Stop Google Discover Swipe Left News on Android completely so you can customize your home screen without distractions. Method 1. Disable Google Discover from home screen settings. First, go to your Android home screen. Now long press on any empty space until the home screen editing mode opens. You will see multiple home screen pages shown at the top or bottom. Next, swipe through those pages until you reach the far left screen. This is usually where Google Discover or Samsung Free is enabled. At the top of this page, you will see a toggle option such as Add Media Page to Home Screen or Google Discover. Simply turn this toggle off. Once you disable it, go back to your home screen. Now, when you swipe left, nothing will appear anymore and the Discover page will be completely removed. Method 2. Turn off Discover from Google App Settings. If you don't want to fully remove the page but only want to stop news content, you can disable Discover from the Google app. Open the Google app on your phone. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Settings. In the Settings menu, use the search bar and type Discover. Now select the Discover option and simply toggle it off. After doing this, when you swipe left, you may still see a blank page or a Turn on Discover message instead of news articles. That's it guys, problem fixed successfully. Subscribe for more Android tips and quick easy tutorials.